In this video, we are going to explore Gemini in Google Workspace, how it can save you time and also inspire creativity. So let me share my screen with you and then we'll get started. Gemini sits right at the top of our Workspace tools in our inbox. So with a license assigned, you'll notice this icon, which accesses the Gemini sidebar. Alternatively, if we reply to this message, I also have Gemini here to help me write a reply, and it's already suggested some here for me. Alternatively, if I select this icon, I can describe my own message and enter my own prompt. So let's ask Gemini to craft a reply saying I'd be happy to help with this request. And let's press create. This is good. I'm pretty happy with this message, but it's a little bit longer than what I would normally write personally. So let's use the refine button, and I'm going to select a shorter reply. Perfect. So let's insert this and press send. In this example, I'm going to use the generate document option. And I'm then going to enter a prompt asking Gemini to create a 3-week unit plan for me. So here's my prompt, and let's press create. And Gemini has now created the unit plan for me. I do have the option here to further refine it by editing the prompt. As you can see, it's also added a nice atmospheric cover photo for me as well. And if we scroll through the document, I can see it's divided it up into different weeks, containing unit activities, discussion activities, and of course our learning objectives as well. And it's even created a table for me for extra clarity. Now let's open up the Gemini sidebar by going to the top right and selecting Ask Gemini. Now let's look at some of the image generation options within Gemini. Sometimes it can be difficult finding the right image online, so this is where Gemini can help us. So I'm now going to ask Gemini to create an image for me to show the symbolism of for whom the bell tolls. So let's send this to Gemini and see what Gemini creates for us. These images are perfect for what I need. To insert one of these, all we need to do is select the image and press insert. Then it gets added into our document. Now let's imagine we want to scale this curriculum across the entire school. So let's use Gemini in Google Sheets to create a project plan for the launch of this new PD program focused on this text we're studying in English. I've already opened Sheets, so now let's open up Gemini by going to the top right and selecting Ask Gemini. I'm now going to ask Gemini to create a professional development plan for me. I can then preview this plan and it all looks good, so let's press insert. And now let's take a look at what Gemini has created for me. So it's created a table with all the key steps, as well as the materials I'd need and who should own each of these items. So overall, it's done a really good job. So in just a few minutes, I've created a unit plan, I've created visuals to support my students, and a professional development plan as well. I'm now ready to let my leadership know that we're prepared to move forward. So let's switch to Google Docs. So I've just gone to docs.new to open up a new document, and I'm now going to ask Gemini to draft an email for me. So let's select Help Me Write, and I'm now going to enter my prompt asking Gemini to draft an email. Perfect. So now let's press Insert. And by asking Gemini to draft an email in Docs, it's added the Gmail building block for me. And this is a really nice way to collaboratively draft an email, which I could share with colleagues before sending. So let's just update my name. And then if I press the Gmail icon, it then opens Gmail for me and inserts my message. Those are just a few quick examples of how you can utilize Gemini in your workflow. If you have a Gemini education license, you can also use Gemini within Google Classroom. It enables Gemini Education on the left-hand menu. From here, Gemini can help with tasks such as outlining a lesson plan, generating a quiz, releveling a text, and many more options. Let's ask Gemini to help us outline a lesson plan. We can specify the grade level and then enter our prompt. Next, Gemini will generate the learning objectives for us. Here we have the suggested learning objectives, which we can further adjust if we wish. We can also optionally describe our class to help Gemini customize this lesson plan for our students. Let's go ahead and select Generate Lesson Plan. And here we have our lesson plan. It gives me a lesson overview, the materials I need, the preparation required. Perfect. And if I scroll down to the bottom, I can export this to Google Docs to share with my colleagues. And based on this lesson plan, I can also use Gemini to help me find related and relevant video resources, create a compelling hook, or even generate a quiz. Let's select this option now and increase this to 5 questions, and then let's select Generate Questions. A quiz is then generated with a range of question types. The correct answers are highlighted for me. I can then take this quiz, add it to my class, or export it into Google Forms. And then from here I could post this into Google Classroom or share with my colleagues to use as well. In the next scenario, let's imagine you're the head of human resources at a large university. You get an email from the executive leadership team with great news. You have approval to start hiring a new IT systems analyst. Let's start by replying to this email. And then let's select Help Me Write. And I'm going to enter a prompt here asking Gemini to craft a response for me. And let's press Create. And just as before, I can then refine this further by selecting Refine and then Formalise, Elaborate or Shorten. But let's go with this response and press Insert. I can then make further changes if I wish before pressing Send. Now I've switched to Google Docs to start work on that job description. So let's press Generate Document. And I'm now going to enter a prompt asking Gemini to draft a job description for me to help me get started with this process. So let's press Create. And Gemini has now created a job description for me. And it's done a nice job. So now we've got a good job description. Let's put together a hiring plan. I'm in Google Sheets now and I'm going to select Help Me Create a Table. And then let's just enter a simple prompt, create a hiring plan for an IT systems analyst. The hiring plan looks good. Let's press Insert. And then I can make further modifications if I wish. So I've got a hiring plan now. The next thing I should probably think about is some interview questions for the role. Let's jump back to Google Docs and create some questions. I'm now back in the same document as we just created. Now let's open up the Gemini sidebar and ask Gemini to write 10 interview questions for this role. And of course, Gemini is aware of the context and what we've already asked it in this document, so we don't need to specify that again. So as you can see here, it's generated questions for me. It's also suggesting some follow-up questions as well about minimum experience for this role, wherever a degree is necessary. Let's go over these questions and select Insert. So now in the planning doc, let's use the Gemini Help Me Write button, and this time I'm going to ask Gemini to draft an email for me, letting leadership know that we've created the hiring plan and job description. So let's press Create. And here Gemini has given me a preview of the message before I insert this draft. I could refine that further using the prompt below. Let's press Insert, and now it's inserted the Gmail building block for me. From here I can select the Gmail icon and preview this message in Gmail. And that's it for this video. These are just a few quick examples of how Gemini can help speed up your workflows and help with creativity. Thanks for watching, and please do reach out if you've got any questions.